Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can turn off background apps in your Android device. So you have an Android device that you use and you want to turn off the background apps in that Android device because you're facing problems with the device and you want to reduce the users in your Android device, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to turn off background applications on your Android device in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you have to do in order to turn off the background apps on your Android device is open your Android device settings. Once you open your Android device settings, what you want to do is go into apps and notification settings. Once you go into apps and notification settings, you'll see an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do is go into app info. Once you go into app info, here you'll see all the list of apps installed in your Android device. Now from here, what you want to do is select the application that you want to turn off background activity for. So go ahead and open that application settings. Once you open that application settings, you land an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do is simply tap on the advanced options. Once you go into advanced option, here you'll see an option labeled as battery. So tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do is tap on the background restrictions option. Once you tap on the background restrictions option, you will see a pop-up like this asking you for the confirmation in order to stop the app's background activity. So tap on the restrict button. Once you tap on the restrict button, you will successfully turn off the background activity in that application on this Android device. You can simply follow the same steps for other applications as well. So those were the simple steps in order to turn off background activity in your Android device in very easy way. So that will be for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.